It is chilly in Madison today. It feels like November football, which it is. Starting off November with Rutgers and Wisconsin, and the Badgers in desperate need of wins to stay alive in the Big Ten West.
J.K. Dobbins breaks it loose, right side 30, 20 in Nebraska, 10-5, touchdown. J.K. Dobbins, 42 yards to the end zone.
And now Hayward, open sesame! Connor Hayward is going to go 80 yards, and Michigan State takes a 3-score lead.
This to stay alive in the Big Ten West. For the lead, Evans, who got it?
And then flips it right into the hands of Brendan Watson. Watson headed down the sidelines. Still going. Wolverines pick 6.
Corbin, look out! Look out! Reggie Corbin with Bush leading the way.
Out of the way, Bush.
Touchdown, Illinois, 77 yards. On 2nd and 1, Taylor with a 6th straight run on this drive, and Taylor into the clear. Jonathan Taylor, touchdown Badgers.